Hello everyone, it is Tuesday again, so time for another Topic Tuesday. Today's topic is filming and picture taking setup. So I am just going to show you guys where I film, how I film, what I use. My filming setup, picture taking setup is fairly simple. I don't have a lot of hoopla going on because I just like keeping it simple and it works for me.
Here is the corner of my room where I film. Got my phone, my daughter's phone with the tripod. Got this tripod from my mom, so I'm not sure where she got it. And then there is the small shelf that my husband made for me. That's my background. So this is what I am seeing when I'm filming. I just have my phone there. I'm just using my daughter's for this, and then my lamp here with a daylight bulb in it, and that's what I use to film. Okay, and when I am doing a mani, for recording a mani or taking pictures, I use a tripod that I got from Amazon. It was fairly cheap. I think it was like $12. And then I just put my phone in there, and you can adjust everything here, and I do tilt it so that it reflects off the mirror here, so I can see what I am painting, that I'm in frame as I look in the mirror. Works great. And then I just have my daylight bulbs. Just have my daylight bulbs and my two lamps here focused over where I will be doing my manis and taking pictures.
So that was my filming and picture taking setup. I know it's very simple, but it works for me. Just a few tripods and a few lamps and the sun. Those are what allow me to be creative and filming and then sharing that with you all. Maybe after watching the other ladies' videos, I might get some ideas. I just want to keep it very simple, some DIY things that maybe could enhance my lighting. At this time, I just like how simple it is, because when I want to paint my nails, I just want to sit down and paint. This setup that I'm currently using works great for that. I can just slap my camera in the little tripod here and begin recording while I'm painting. I don't have to set up a lot of lights or anything like that. And I like that. And I'm going to shout out Jody from Jody's Polish. Jody just did a fabulous job with this, and I love it. I'm so happy with it. I have so much fun talking and seeing what the other girls are doing. So yeah, this is a really, really great idea. So thanks for coming up with that, Jody. So I hope you guys will follow hashtag topictues on Instagram or here on YouTube. I really look forward to seeing what everyone else is using, maybe taking some tips and tricks from them. Please leave any comments and suggestions below, and I will see you in the next one.